Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. I have a ta-da today. I finally finished the Garden Time Waterfall journal. Garden Time Paper Dolls Waterfall journal. Okay, I've got 2 of them, so just so you know. And I've got a reminder from one we did previously. Anyways, we'll get into that in a minute. Let me move this to the side. We still haven't bingoed. Can you believe it? Next time I do bingo, I'm making a smaller bingo. Just saying. Okay, we're gonna do this and we're gonna see. If I've got something in these journals that will go for that, then I'm good. If not, then we'll do something else. Okay, oops, okay. A belly band. I have plenty of belly bands in here, and it I think starts off with a belly band. Anyways, I have one. You guys make a belly band and make your post. You have to do a post. Where's my pencil? Make a comment under this, well, under each bingo video. And we're still not bingoed. So make a comment under each of the videos, and if you haven't started yet, it's okay. You can still do them all and post, and then when we do bingo, you'll be all caught up. It's all good. You don't have to do them each week. You can do them all at one time if you want to. I mean, if you're, you know, if you like doing that thing. We got one more over here, and we will have a bingo. Ooh. Of course, we'll probably never draw a button, but I'm not going to be negative about it. We've got this way and this way. We've got this way and this way. Lots of ways to bingo. We're getting closer, guys. We can't get any further away because, you know. All right. Moving that aside. Putting this away. Okay, belly band. Okay, I'm about to show you one. Okay, this is a fabric cover, but it's a hard cover. I printed out the paper on fabric. It's so pretty. Spine on a different paper on fabric, and then the back. I just couldn't put anything on this. It's so pretty till I didn't want to put an interactive thing here. It's just so pretty. Okay, so let's do this. I just have a simple bias tie around. It's a twill bias tie around. Let me get those out of the way. It's not connected, so somebody can just put it to the side, never use it or what. I mean, you know, it's anyways. So we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna try to stay in shot. This is a belly band. It is. It's got belly bands inside it too. So I'll show you. This is a little insert journal. It's just got, you know, lined paper in it. So that just slides right into the belly band, and it could come out over here, but I don't want to push it too far because, you know. Okay, and then this is our floating pocket. We made this, okay? We made this. This is our floating pocket. That's our closure, okay? And belly band pocket, okay? But we've got, you know, a belly band here, a belly band here. We've got belly bands all over this place. So my belly bands are done. You guys post a picture of something you've made that's a belly band, and you know, let me see if I'm in shot. I think I am. Okay, so this will lay flat. It's just that space available. Okay, space available. We started out over here, and this is also a belly band and another belly band with a slider, right? Okay, that's a belly band, and this is a pocket like so. Yeah, just a simple pocket. That one I just stuck a paper doll on. Another belly band with a belly band on top of it. Let's see, 1, 2, it's like a triple. So definitely belly bands are covered, okay? And if you made this along with me, you've got plenty of belly bands. Put a picture. There's another belly band, but it's got pockets on the belly band, okay? Is that cool or what? I think I've got her clipped to 2 pages. Okay, let me unclip her to just 1 page. All right, then that one's left blank. You got to leave some room for the person getting the thing, right? Okay, this was our pocketed, you know, piece that goes right in there, and you know, and then there's another one behind it and all that. So paper dolls are going to be stuck all through here. This is clipped on with a paper doll. It's yep, it is. It's the trifold. Nothing in it yet. But like I said, you have to leave some things open for, you know, for people getting it to put things in to make it special for them. This one is connected. It's hinged on. Okay. Paper dolls, of course. Then we've got some more paper dolls. We've got, this was a Friday freebie, I think. So there's loads of Friday freebies, guys. Then we've got our signature pages in here. They're printed on both sides, and they're just, I think there's about 40 pages in there. Sewn in signature with the little, these, I just printed these out small. They're from the slider belly band. They're from wherever that is. It's in here somewhere. Here. This, printed small. That's what it is. Okay? Alright. You can put really pretty pictures there. All sorts of things you can do. I think that was a Friday freebie. This is a boy page, I guess. It's got boys on it. I've got her in my calendar book. I mean, as a paperclip. There's another pocket. We did all of this. I'm pretty sure I did everything in here on camera, except for the very last thing, and I'll show you that. We've got we've got all kinds of fun things in here. We really do. It's got loads of things for people to discover and go, oh, you know. So yeah, there's lots of things to discover. Am I in shot still? Because I think I need to move over now. Okay, so we've got this pretty page. You can put pictures, you can do some writing, you can do whatever you want to do there. That's a pocket. It's a pocket. This, it's a belly band over here. It's a pocket this way, okay? And then over here, I'm moving back and forth. This is opens up. It's just hinged on. Plenty of places to put pictures, to write things, to do all sorts, okay? I like to have plenty of room to, you know, for the person that gets this to have plenty of room to do things, okay? Okay, now this one was fun. We did, oh, that's in the way of it. All right, we'll move this one up, move this one up, this one up, this one up. The tag was just in the way. This is the slider, and it closes them down, holds them in place. They're, sure it does. But you have to get it on top of them. And then push it up, and each one is a pocket, and it has a tag in it. Is that cool? That was fun. Okay, another belly band. Another belly band. And that's a big pocket. You can put a journal or whatever you want to put in there. More belly bands and more pockets. It's got plenty of room for putting all kinds of things. This was just up and up, you know, like a photo flip kind of thing with some, you know, those. This I left for putting pictures or journaling or whatever somebody wants to put. I thought, I don't want to fill everything up. This was our Dutch door thingy that we did. It's got a pocket, a belly band, then a pocket, and another Well, yeah, I'm out of. And another belly band. This is a belly band pocket, you know, just saying. And this is the one thing that I didn't do on camera was this. And it's a pocketed, it's got just a signature writing sheet, lined page in there, belly band, okay? And it's got another little writing journal, you know, in there. So we have covered belly bands, right? Belly bands. Okay. All right. Now there's that one. I made, I'll put this back on there. I made 2 of these. Let me see where I can put this one. I made 2 of these, and same cover, same tie around, same everything. And they're variably different in little ways. I'll just do a quick flip through on this one because I have, you know, that's the same. Quick little flip through, different paper dolls, different, you know, this is and that's. But it's very much samey. It's just, you know, super cute is what it is. We've got the signature again, you know, with that. Super cute. Super cute. Just super cute. I loved making this. Waterfall journals are wonderful to make. They take a while. They there's so many things that you can do and explore and create. You can make some really big elements in a waterfall journal, bigger than you can make in just a regular sized journal, because you got some bigger pages. That's our Dutch store page. Ooh, that got a little crinkled. I don't know how that happened, but I'll squash it down. And yeah, back here, same. So yeah, let me make sure nothing's getting crinkled. Yeah. Okay. Then that's that. Okay, I wanted to remind you though, I have another one. This one we did back when I came out with the Vintage Rose Playtime journal kit. It was 1.5 years, 2 years-ish ago. Now this has a hardcover and it's covered with the paper instead of fabric. So if you're thinking about making your journal cover and you don't want to do the printing on the fabric and things like that, this might be another option for you. It's beautiful. I do have a fabric on the spine, but that was just because that's how I put it together, you know, so that I have some strength and security on that. But yeah, this is another way to do that. I put an interactive piece here on the front, closed with Velcro. Since it's a waterfall, when I did, you know, little pockets and things like that, it's just cute, right? And it's all, you know, done with just paper, not fabric. So you can do it that way. And this has, you know, a big pocket up there. I'm pretty sure I did quite a few Friday freebies with this one. Lots of cute stuff. I mean, you know, there's a hinged page here with a pocket behind it, little pocket here. I mean, you know, there's lots of things you can do. More, you know, belly bands and things. Paper clips with little paper dolls. We did some paper bag projects in this one. Super cute and fun. Yep. The crisscross pocket. Lots of things. Belly bands. I'm definitely covered on belly bands. That was one of the wax seals I did. Is that cool? I mean, it's really pretty to do that. Then we just got pockets. I kept this one really simple and easy. yeah, just fun, simple, and easy. Just all kinds of fun things. Just fun things. Lots of writing pages. This is another one of the, if I can get it in shot, hinged out pages. I like a good hinged out page, don't you guys? Okay, so yeah, you can do waterfall a lot of different ways. That's just a couple of, for instances. And a flip through of those because I finally finished them. It's about time, right? Okay. All right. There's a lot of things going on with these. These are bigger than this one. And part of that is the cover that I made with the fabric. It just had to be what it had to be. And there's a few more projects in this one than there was in this one. So, but yeah, whatever you want to do, however you want to make yours, here's just some examples, okay? Now, again, remember, for the bingo, make a belly band, post it on the community tab, make a comment under each one of the bingo videos, and do the make for the video and post it on the community tab. If you do that, then you get the free Minnie Mouse Village journal kit. That is a mouthful to say. Okay. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.